Hey everyone, it is Couponing with D, back with a second early insert preview. These inserts are for the week of 7/10, SMARTSOURCE save. That is what I received, and she sent some extra Tide, extra P&Gs, but they don't have Tide in them. So, starting with the SMARTSOURCE, we have a $2 off one package of pull-ups training pants. This page is advertisement. We have a $1.50 off any one Jergens Natural Glow or Soul by Jergens skin product. $2 off any one Biore skin cleanser. And $2 off one of the strip products. Over here we have $3 off any one Ensure Max Protein Multi-Pack. $3 off one Glucerna product. $3 on any one Ensure High Protein, Ensure Complete, or Clear Multi-Packs. We have a $1 off any one Irish Spring Body Wash. We have a $1 off any one Soft Soap Body Wash. Next page, $3 off any Irwin Natural products. Recipe, nope, not a recipe. Purdue Farms to order your chicken. Next, we got $3 on one CoverGirl face product, $3 on one eye product, and $3 on one clean beauty product and skin. Again, Santiago with his antics. Last page is the Lysol, 50 cents off one disinfecting spray, $1 on two Lysol disinfecting wipes, $1 on two plant-based wipes, 50 cents on one toilet bowl cleaner, 50 cents on one all-purpose bathroom or smart multi-purpose starter kits. $1.50 on one Lysol laundry detergent sanitizer. And that is it for the SMARTSOURCE. Very, very thin. Save is also thin, and we will start off with $2 on two Dial body washes or tone body washes. $1 on two Dial hand soap refills, including the foaming refill and the foaming wash. It also has an 11-ounce hand soap. We have $2 off of one Persil, $3 off of one Persil disc. This one is for the 38 count or larger. This is for the smaller ones. Neutrogena, we have $2 on one sun care, $2 on one adult Motrin, and $2 off one Tylenol PM or Sleepy Time product. $3 on two Garnier Fructis shampoo, conditioner, treatments, or styling products. $4 on two of the whole blends. We have $4 on any Colace 60 to 100 count, and $2 on any Colace product. We have $1 off of one whole fruit bar products. We got advertisement for Omaha Steaks. $3 on one Sundown product, $4 on one of the gummy products, $3 on any one Optifree or Replenish, $6 on two Optifree Pure Moist or Replenish. We have advertisement on this page. Sensodyne and Parodontax, $1.50 on one Sensodyne Nutrish, $1 on Sensodyne or Pro Enamel, $1.50 on Prodontax, and $5 off 3 Prodontax. Advertisement, both pages. We have $1 on one Luigi Italian Ice product and $1 on the gelato product. I prefer Italian Ice over gelato. And then we have $4 on two Boost nutritional drinks. Back page is Neutrogena. Save $1 on any makeup wipes, $2 on any liquid cleanser, $3 on any face serum or treatment, and $3 on one face moisturizer. That is all I have for you on this video. Everyone, enjoy your beautiful Thursday. Although it's drizzling here, hopefully it is productive. If not, find something productive to do. We always got to find something to keep us busy. Again, that's everything I have. Enjoy your day and see you on the next one. Bye.